Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make Warli gods and goddesses. So these are the materials required. You can collect them before starting. Now let's get started. So this is our first Warli god. We are going to make Warli Krishna here. So for making any Warli drawing or any Warli figure, we need to know the basic Warli figures, which I have already taught in my previous part. If you have not watched them, then you can visit the description box for the links. Now we will do some jewelry work in the Krishna. You can fill any detailed pattern for making these Warli pattern look more beautiful. Now we will make Warli Ganesha. So I have thought of making Warli Ganesha on a cloud. So here at the bottom we will draw a cloud. And necklace is an essential thing which we will make in every god and goddess. And then I'm using a brush pen for coloring all the details, all the special things related to the god. So you can use any other sketch pen or any other type of colors for doing it. Now we will draw Warli Saraswati Ma. I have drawn the Veena and the body with the pencil first because I have to show the lotus on the top, then Veena, and lastly the body. So you have to draw it first with a pencil and then overline the lines with a marker. Here I have also drawn the water to look it more beautiful. I am using a white gel pen, or you can also use a correction pen for doing some details with white. Or if you don't have anything, then you can use the white paint simply. Now we are drawing the Warli Buddha. In Warli Buddha, we will do special detailings in the hair part using spirals to make it look like a Buddha. You can also draw any other detailed pattern for making these patterns. Here I am using the basic patterns only, but you can use any other pattern. So now the Warli Buddha is also ready. Now we will draw a Warli Shiva. So here again I am using a pencil first because we have to do overlapping here. And here I am coloring each object which is special related to the particular god. So in this way you can create your own gods and goddesses with the basic patterns and figures. And if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. Now I am drawing some detailed patterns using a fine liner pen. You can draw any other pattern which seems easy to you. And also visit my website linked in the description box. Warli is an Indian traditional art which belongs to Maharashtra, India. Warli art originated 1000 years ago in Maharashtra. Now we are drawing Warli Brahmaji. This is our last Warli god which are drawing. We are again drawing a lotus here, but this time I am not making a full water. I am just making a water pond as shown. Here I have not drawn any pattern in the Brahmaji. I have just simply filled the colors and did some detailings with the brush pens, as you can see. So hope you liked today's video. If yes, then hit the like button. Now all the Warli gods and goddesses are ready. Isn't it looking so beautiful? So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe.